Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. I'm your teacher from God's Public Higher Secondary School 1 and today we will be doing our last lecture, that is lecture 6. In this lecture we will be covering singular, plural and word opposites. Singular. Singular noun names one person, place, thing or idea, for example, a table, a car, a mountain, etc. While a plural noun names more than one person, place, thing or idea, for example, tables, cars, mountains, etc. For plural, we add s at the end. So students, there are certain rules for plural. First one is adding s. Most nouns are made plural by adding s at the end. For example, bat, bats, star, stars, mug, mugs, fan, fans, cap, caps. Rule number 2, adding es at the end of the word. Some plural nouns end in es when the last letter of singular nouns are ch, ch, sh, s, double s or x. Whenever these words come at the end of the word, we will put es. You usually add es to form the plural. For example, watch, you can see at the end it's written ch, so we will write es when we will be making it plural. Watches. Bus, single s, so to make it plural we will use es at the end. Buses. Fox, x है तो आखिर में हम क्या यूज़ कर लेंगे after to make the plural? Foxes. Brush, show है sh, to make it plural we will use es, brushes. Glass, again double s use हो रहा है, so at the end we will use es, glasses. So you have to remember students, whenever ch, sh, s, double s or x are used in the word, we will use es to make it plural. Rule for adding ies. Some plural nouns end in ies. Noun like these are made plural by changing y to I. जब भी कोई वर्ड जिसके आखिर में y यूज़ हो रहा हो, तो हम जब प्लॉरल उसको करेंगे तो हम क्या यूज़ कर लेंगे? y की जगह I. ठीक है, तो IES यूज़ हो जाएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, चेरी, चेरीज़, बेबी, बेबीज़, डायरी, डायरीज़, डिक्शनरी, डिक्शनरीज़, फेरी, फेरीज़, फैमिली, फैमिलीज़, फ्लाई, फ्लाइज़, लेडी, लेडीज़. Some plural nouns are the same as the singular. कुछ जो nouns होते हैं जो singular में होते हैं वही same वो plural में भी रहते हैं. For example, deer, deer, fish, fish, sheep, sheep. इनको हम change नहीं करते हैं, हम इनमें SIAS नहीं डालते हैं. Now word opposites. Opposites means completely different, of a contrary kind, a word that is opposite in meaning to another. Opposites are also known as antonyms. For example, light, heavy, open, closed, fast, slow, wet, dry, up, down, small, big, light, heavy, tall, short, hard, soft. See, now we can see from the example, we can use word opposites in the sentences as well. Ali finds it easy to do the home task, but Sarah finds it difficult. Now, what is the opposite of easy? It is difficult. So we will write Sarah finds it difficult to do. Second example, we should spread love among people, not hatred. So the opposite of love is hatred. For the words opposite assignments, you have to write these words opposites in your copy. They are total 15. Easy, difficult, nearest, far, kind, unkind, pleased, displeased, appeared, disappeared, loved, hatred, low, high, light, dark, pleasant, unpleasant, comfortable, uncomfortable, closed, open, careless, careful, slow, fast, clean, dirty, soft, hard.